Hello, this is journal number 3 for EDUU 6776. This week I completed the Autism Program Environmental Rating Scale Self-Assessment Companion Tool Preschool and Elementary Revised Version, also known as APERS. The sections that were rated during the observation were social competence, personal independence and competence, functional behavior, family involvement, and teaming. The social competence section was for the most part an area of strength because promoting communication and social interaction is part of the classroom curriculum, and staff try to always create group activities and projects where the students get the opportunity to practice communication and social interaction. Team members such as speech-language pathologists, occupational therapists, and behaviorists come to the classroom once a week to work with the students in their IEP goals. For students that participate in inclusion, the regular education teacher collaborates regularly with a special education teacher to discuss accommodations for the student. An area that can be improved on is that the school can help create a social network as part of the school core curriculum. That way, students with ASD can interact more with their typical developing peers. Another section that can be improved on is personal independence and competence. Students need to learn strategies to self-regulate and to be accountable for their assignments and reinforcements. When it comes to conducting a functional behavior assessment, I think all members of the multidisciplinary team should come together to identify possible replacement behaviors for interfering behaviors. An area of strength is family involvement because we make sure that the parents participate in all decisions regarding their students' education and their thoughts are taken into consideration. Parents communicate regularly with the teacher, and resources that can benefit the students and their family are constantly shared, and it is very important that students receive all the support that they need in order to be successful at school, home, and community. When all the team members in the student's education collaborate, there is a greater chance that the student will be successful. The APERS rating scale is an important tool because it lets us to identify areas that we can improve on in the classroom.